Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw Solana from Phantom. For that, first of all, you just have to select that particular exchange in which you want to deposit your Solana from Phantom wallet. For this video, I have selected Binance app. So if you want to do the same, then you will have to launch the Binance mobile application first, and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on the deposit button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and after that you need to tap on the option of deposit crypto. Then you need to tap on this search bar in the top, and in the search bar you simply need to search for Solana. Now once you have found Solana, you simply need to tap on it until you see this choose a network option. So over here you need to choose the network as BNB Smart Chain, which is BEP20. Then it will give you the address, so you just have to copy the address from here, and after that you just have to open your Phantom wallet. Now in your Phantom wallet you will have to select Solana, and if you have Solana in your account, then right next to the receive option you are going to see the send button in the top. So simply need to click on that send button, and after that it will ask you to provide the address. So you just have to paste the address that you have just copied from Binance, and then you need to press next in the bottom. On the next page you will have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to withdraw from your Phantom wallet. Afterwards you need to just confirm your withdrawal, and this way you will be able to easily withdraw your Solana from your Phantom wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.